Question: Some believe success in life comes from hard work, dedication, and motivation. While many believe success depends on other important factors like money and appearance. Discuss both these views and give your opinion. Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Model answer 1. Some argue that the combination of hard work, dedication, and motivation can lead to success in life, while others put emphasis on other significant factors, such as money and appearance. In this essay, I will discuss both perspectives. Personally, I believe that while wealth and appearance can bring success, hard work, dedication, and motivation are vital to success in life. Some argue that money and appearance play a vital role in achieving success in life. Financial power allows an individual to take calculated challenges and strategic investments that may not be possible for those with financial instability. In addition, a striking appearance projects self-confidence, professionalism, and credibility that help to make a good impression on someone. This in turn quickly captivates positivity from all around by creating a charismatic aura. Consequently, money coupled with appearance propels individuals towards success. For example, many CEOs and celebrities mingle financial power with appearance and establish successful business ventures and careers. Others contend that the perfect combination of hard work, dedication, and motivation exceeds all other factors in importance for success in life. Hard work ensures determined efforts, dedication involves staying committed to the task at hand, and motivation acts as the driving force that translates aspiration into tangible accomplishment despite setbacks. Together, these factors build a synergistic relationship that empowers one to take risks, seize opportunities, and pursue his goals, and thus leading to a successful life. A case in point is Serena Williams, the famous tennis player, epitomizes the perfect combination of hard work, dedication, and motivation. In an interview, she put her success down to this combination. For this reason, I put emphasis on hard work, dedication, and motivation to achieve success in life. In conclusion, although many emphasize money and appearance to be successful in life, this essay finds that the blend of hard work, dedication, and motivation attaches more importance over anything else. Model answer 2. Success in life is a multifaceted concept, and opinions on what drives it can vary widely. Some people argue that hard work, commitment, and inspiration are the keys to achieving success, while others believe that factors such as money and appearance play a more critical role. This essay will explore both perspectives before presenting an opinion. On the one hand, many people believe that success is primarily the result of hard work, dedication, and motivation. These qualities are often seen as the foundation for achieving one's goals, regardless of the field. For instance, individuals who consistently put in long hours, stay committed to their objectives, and maintain a high level of motivation tend to overcome obstacles and achieve significant accomplishments. This viewpoint is supported by numerous success stories of people who have risen from humble beginnings through sheer perseverance. For example, renowned individuals like Oprah Winfrey and Elon Musk are often cited as embodiments of this principle, having built their empires through relentless effort and unwavering commitment. On the other hand, some argue that success is heavily influenced by factors such as money and appearance. Financial resources can provide access to better education, networking opportunities, and the ability to invest in one's ideas, all of which can be pivotal in achieving success. For instance, entrepreneurs with substantial capital can launch and sustain businesses more effectively than those without financial backing. Similarly, appearance can play a role, especially in industries where first impressions and public perception are critical, such as entertainment and media. Attractive individuals might find it easier to secure roles or endorsements, thus advancing their careers more rapidly. In my opinion, while money and appearance can influence success to some extent, they are not as significant as hard work, devotion, and motivation. Financial resources and good looks can provide a head start, but they cannot replace the persistent effort and resilience required to maintain and build upon initial success. In conclusion, hard work, dedication, and motivation are the more critical components of lasting success. While money and appearance can open doors, sustained effort and commitment are what ultimately determine whether an individual can achieve and maintain success over the long term.